Guys, Dogecoin is not officially dead. We've still got a lot of fundamental catalysts to look forward to, which we're going to be discussing in today's video. Also, the massive update coming for Ethereum also has some really important information that I need to share with you. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. The link is in the top pinned comment. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, that short period of 5 or 10 minutes that you have to get in and buy. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, Dogecoin is anything but dead. There's actually $30 billion invested in Dogecoin, most of which are from whales, because the whales know about the future for Dogecoin. They know with all the fundamental catalysts and all the events surrounding Dogecoin, including the massive one towards the end of this month, there's going to be some huge pumps and a lot more money to be made on Dogecoin. We're still at a huge discount on Dogecoin, over half off, so it's still a great time to get in. Dogecoin is still the number 7 cryptocurrency in the world. We are currently in a cool down corrections phase for all crypto. After several green days, we had to have some time to go down. It can't just go straight up or straight down. There's always got to be a consolidation period where we trade sideways. Guys, with Dogecoin having been out for several years, with updates coming out every single year, with the developers constantly working with Elon Musk to make it more efficient, guys, we have a lot to look forward to. Not just Tesla accepting it, but once Tesla accepts it, which I believe will happen in late July, I believe that a lot more car companies will want to follow in Tesla's footsteps and accept Dogecoin as well. Dogecoin is the number 1 cryptocurrency held by investors in the United States. Guys, some massive news. ADA and Dogecoin have actually overtaken Bitcoin in the most popular cryptocurrencies purchased on the eToro app, with ADA being the number 1 and Doge coming in as a close second. Elon Musk is also good friends with the Ethereum founder, so he knows about the smart contract platform. He knows how to make Dogecoin just as important, just as powerful, and just as necessary for use. Because he knows this, some crypto experts even argue that Dogecoin might very well overtake Ethereum eventually as well. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you want to trade cryptos tax-free, go ahead and use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment as well. Guys, I know you might be wondering, will Bitcoin or Russia be blamed for the recent ransomware attacks? As we discussed in my previous video, the hackers that hacked these massive firms, over 200 of them, did this so that they could hold it over their head until they received 70 million in Bitcoin. Guys, of course these firms didn't do that. Instead, they just spent the money necessary to encrypt their machines the way they were supposed to be all along, to save their clients and customers. This could very well be a piece of false news, FUD, that the whales are putting out. They do this in order to scare the smaller retail investors into selling, even though most of the people with paper hands had gotten out long ago because of the FUD, because of the fake news. However, you never know with these whales. They always want to get in at the lowest price, like I alert you guys about on my Patreon, and then they sell whenever they think it's reached its peak. Guys, some more fake news being put out there, which says that China is still continuing its crypto crackdown. Guys, this isn't news. It's not news at all. We've known about this for many months. For the whales to be continuing to put out news like this, it's just to try to get any of the small retail investors with paper hands out. Any of the ones that are left out, so that they can get the lowest price possible to get in at. The only thing new is that some software companies are continuing to allow people to invest in crypto in China, and they're now cracking down on that as well. But once again, that's not new news. They put a ban on that many months ago. Guys, it's clear that China's cracking down on this because China is creating their own cryptocurrency. They think they can compete, and they think they'll have a monopoly this way, but I think their people will still stand up and demand that they must still be able to invest in other crypto. The US is also creating its own cryptocurrency. Let me know your thoughts about that down below. However, one thing I do know is that when that happens, more whales will come out with fake news, spending the money to get these articles out there to scare more people into bringing the price down so that more people have confidence in the US crypto. Guys, some news for the Ethereum update. The hard fork update that we've been talking about that was supposed to happen at the end of this month. Guys, it's been pushed. It's been pushed to August, which is okay because this just means that they're working on it harder and they're going to make sure that it is much more refined to cause the price to pump much more. And this very well may come out when we're on a new bull run, which will only cause it to surge even higher. The London hard fork update is to make it faster, cheaper, and make it more deflationary. Guys, the proposed specific date for this Ethereum hard fork update is August 4th. So you want to get in before this happens. These crypto prices are half price right now. Guys, it's the perfect time to get in before this Ethereum update because when it comes out, expect to see a massive uptrend. And of course, once Ethereum or Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market goes up along with it. So no matter if you're trying to invest in Dogecoin or other cryptos, it's the perfect time. Be sure to have some cash on the side and wait for my trade alert. Doesn't matter if it's $100, $500, $1,000, no matter what, it's still a great time to get in. There's no minimum to what you should invest. Getting in at this time is definitely before the rest, and the rich crypto investors always got in before the masses. Ethereum and Dogecoin developers are actually working together to make it more scalable. And scalability means that Dogecoin can be used on the Ethereum blockchain and vice versa, with Ethereum being able to be used on the Dogecoin blockchain. Guys, this is huge because smart contracts will then be able to be executed on the Ethereum blockchain. This will only allow Dogecoin to be a much better competitor in the crypto space. This particular update for Ethereum may very well be the catalyst to send it to the 20 or 30,000 price mark that a lot of crypto experts have predicted Ethereum will hit just by the end of this year. After this update, Ethereum will have a limited supply. Guys, this will cause the Ethereum price to skyrocket, just like Bitcoin when they limited that one. Institutions, companies, whales, investors, they're all loading up on Ethereum right now because they know about this update. They know the update will cause it to be limited, so it's the perfect time to purchase as much as you can afford to. Guys, wait for that dip. Wait till I call it out so that you can get in at the perfect time so that there's only a very short period of time before you see massive profits. Guys, Ethereum is my biggest holding because I know in 2 to 3 years from now, it could very well hit $100,000. Tokens being burnt for Ethereum will cause it to be a limited supply, and this is the update that I've been waiting for. This is the update that all investors have been waiting for. Guys, it wouldn't surprise me if Ethereum hit $4,000 just by the update for the hard fork. Also, with Ethereum hitting $4,000, it wouldn't surprise me if Dogecoin hit 40 or 50 cents by then as well. Guys, we are seeing a bullish flag form on the Dogecoin chart. As you can see, we've got our flagstaff headed straight up with those candlesticks, just as I called out. So if you bought at that dip right there and you sold at that peak like I recommended, guys, we made a lot of money. Now you can see we're trading sideways. We're cooling down. As we go down, we're coming out. We're trading sideways. When we hit the end of the consolidation, expect for another breakout to the upside. We also look on the charts and see a bottom right here, and I'm expecting to see another double bottom just before we break out. And as you know, whenever there's a double bottom or a triple bottom, it's a much harder bounce. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Cardano are also seeing some massive green days coming up, so you're going to want to wait for those trade alerts as well. So guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when the whales have sold out, when we've only got 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.